Hello you guys and welcome to my video. This is what it is all about. It's all about this software. This software lets you to control your CNC with any type of controller. It transforms the inputs from your controller to the keyboard. So it is easy to make anything you like with this software. I will show you in my next video how I control my CNC machine with this software. In the previous section you saw how my machine works using just a regular joystick or controller, as you may like. The point here is you can use any controller to control your CNC machine. How can you do that? You can do that using this simple software called Joy2Key. It transforms commands from the controller or joysticks into the keyboard. So what commands are in the Mach 3, you can transfer them to your controller and use it as you like. As you saw in the previous video, I was controlling. I had a fast jog, I had a slow jog. I have lots of combinations you can do. This is really powerful software. You can do whatever you like. You can have any type of command. Let's say, for example, I used to start my program. For safety reasons, I have a command to press two buttons. To press the select button and the start button, by that combination my program is starting. So by that, if my controller is to be dropped off or something like that, if I accidentally press any button, nothing will happen. So that you can be that's for the safety reasons. And what I like to say, I would like to say, here you can do anything. You can turn any button. You can control it by a controller or joystick. Here you can see use joystick 2 configuration. With this command over here, you can adjust. If you press one button, you get another configuration. I mean, here it's saying joystick 2 configuration, but that's just a virtual joystick. Here you adjust the second joystick, and that is really easy and simple to create. Here you can see button 9 is stop, Alt Alt S. Here you can see in the joystick 2 configuration we have Alt R, that means program start. So you can play wherever you like, you can adjust your commands to your needs. For example, I am using the direction buttons left and right to control my x-axis, up and down to control my y-axis, and the buttons you can see here, 1 and 3, this is the top button, this is the bottom button. I use them to control the z-axis. You can see in the video how I do that. So it is really easy to set this up, and you can adjust your workpiece, you can center the machine as you like. You can do lots of cool stuff. It will save your time, it will save your money. You don't need to buy an MPG or something like that, because with this software you can do almost anything. Only one thing I want to mention you before you start working with it. Just have this at your mind. The one and only situation with this software is because you know in the Mach 3 the fault is when you press your arrow keys, direction keys, you control the X and Y axis. And here when I set this up with my software, as you can see, it was not working. So I had to improvise, and I used another keys, and it is working. And I changed configuration into Mach 3. I changed it to these buttons to control via Mach 3 my CNC machine, and it was working just fine. I don't know, maybe it's some kind of compatibility situation or something like that, but bear that at your mind. Anyway guys, I would like to have your suggestions. If you have some, I would like to see what you think about this. Write in the comment section, or if there is something you don't understand, I will gladly, if you are interested in it, I will put in the comments. I will maybe make a video more detailed about this subject so that you can understand. If you are not, but I think it's quite easy. You should be able to work this out and adjust as to your needs. Or maybe if you want, I will create some more detailed video. I will maybe put my configuration file of this software, and maybe we can work more on that. But write that in the comment section if you like. And I think that would be about it. Thank you guys for watching. I think this is quite useful. It will save your time, it will save your effort. You don't need to buy MPG or something like that. I agree with you. MPG is exactly for the CNC machine, but with this is very good alternative. Thank you guys. See you next time.